Do you have the Rove R3 dash cam? And does it just talk way too much? This whole video is going to be a quick tutorial of how to turn off the voice entirely. Let's go ahead and go into our settings and turn that off.
Video settings. System settings.
Oh my heavens. So if you go to your system settings here, and then voice guidance off. And there we go. No more voices. No more voices. Go into settings. She doesn't say anything. System settings. She doesn't say anything. All right, now the real test is if I turn off the car. So if we go back here, main page. Oh, we can see here, it switched to parking mode. Yes. Yes, no more voices. Woo! My one biggest pet peeve, they have a built-in solution. And then we turn the car back on as if we're gonna drive. And you can see here, we got 7 seconds. It's now recording a regular video. Yes! Yes! Oh, what a relief. This is going to be so nice. Once I did turn off the voice, I think it's called voice guidance, there's no other voice activity that happens. I wish there was a way that it would tell you like, hey, no SD card inserted. And it would just like say, no SD card. That's it. If there's an issue. Or if it captures something, it just says recording or saving or, you know, securing file. Like, or just give me a little chime, like, bing, let me know that, like, hey, you know, you hit a bump that seemed a little bit much. Was it an accident? I'm going to save that just in case. I wish that there was something more, but once you turn off voice guidance, there's no more voice guidance. So we actually had forgotten the SD card out of it one day, and my wife had looked over from the passenger seat and says, hey, there's a little thing on there that says no SD card. And I was like, oh, crap, I forgot it at the house. So something to keep in mind. If you do turn off voice guidance, you lose that, but I'd rather that be my big issue than having her annoying voice for 90% of the time when I don't need it. If you have questions about this or anything I've talked about in this video, please don't hesitate to leave those in the comments below. And if you too think that the Rove R3 dashcam is right for you, I will have Amazon affiliate links down in the description of this video. I am an Amazon affiliate, so using those links do help to support this channel with no additional cost to you. So go ahead and click those links and do your Amazon shopping from there. Thank you so much for your support. If you enjoyed this video and you found it valuable, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.